What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996, rwcweb.com. You've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites, you go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in that box right here, and I will show you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Now this old Geek has been working hard for you guys, okay? Working hard. Just started my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know, it took me so long, right? Just started my YouTube channel in 2021. My old Geek computer, Windows 7, okay? Slow as a dog today, so I'm doing all kinds of crap. Alright, but you go to my YouTube channel, you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification, and I'll send you a lot of great stuff, okay? Again, I've been working real hard to teach you guys how to do this. Listen, you gotta have some kind of skills to do this stuff. I don't care what these guys tell you, okay? I don't care what they tell you. You gotta have some kind of skills to do this stuff, okay? Now, I'm in the Clickbank marketplace, right? I get a lot of questions, what to sell, what to promote, okay? Now if you go to the marketplace and, you just hit, see where this is taking me. Oh, we logged out, okay. Okay, the old Geek computer is a little slow today. I'm running some stuff in the background. Alright, so you go to the marketplace, and without putting anything in here, this could be common knowledge, I don't know. When you hit that, it comes up to all the top dogs, okay? All the top dogs. Let me put this up, okay? Now, for a long time, and even now, I'm still in the woodworking niche, which I think is a great niche, however saturated it is. Okay? Because you could go off for a lot of different things with the woodworking niche, with home improvement, furniture building, porches, patios, and stuff like that. Now, I'm shocked, because my buddy from Ted's Plans used to come right up on the top. So let's see how many pages back my buddy from Ted's Plans is now, what he's doing these days. Okay, because I'm sure he's up here on the top of the top still. Of course, now with the COVID thing and everybody's starting to get health conscious, so they're pretty much, that's quite a bit. That market is booming, okay? All these keto diets and everything, they've been around for a long time now. They got some pretty high ticket ones, $100, $50 ones. I made a fortune off of the $50 ones. That's like the sweet spot, That's a different one. Get paid to use Facebook and Twitter. That's interesting. Okay, work at home jobs are big now, okay? Manifestation. A lot of people are switching towards religion, stuff like that, okay? Wow, my man Ted's Plan. There he is. Okay, he moved down quite a bit. What are we on, the 4th page? Okay. So now, if you want to do these ones that are saturated, like this is the best brain health. Okay, so they got an affiliate site. So let's open that up real quick. Let's open up their affiliate tools. You really want to use the ones with the affiliate tools, but guess what happens though? Okay, so if the gravity, alright, this one's pretty low, 85.2, I don't know why they got that point in anymore. Okay, so this has got a lot of stuff going on that they can offer to you as an affiliate to use, okay? So now this is their website, let's check it out. Oh, not bad, pretty modern. No video sales letter, okay, there's a video sales letter. That looks like they might be on YouTube. So you check them out. You want to do your research before you start promoting. Okay, even though you're going to get paid on the promotions and all. Okay, you know, you're going to want to do your own research on stuff. Again, I'm running some stuff in the background. So my old Geek computer, Windows 7, is a little slow. Bear with the old man. Okay. All right. So this is a new video. Okay. And you know, you could do this also if you want to make a video sales letter. Okay. See what kind of.
Know that you are not broken, as the pharma industry wants you to believe. This trick works so well that it doesn't matter.
These videos are actually pretty easy to make with Canva. Okay. You can even do it with just text and the video backgrounds. Okay. So you can also, you know, make your own, make a YouTube channel and do just like what they do. Okay, because it's like it's just this video. You know, it doesn't even show the video. Where's the video? Okay, so I don't know how they pulled that off. Maybe it's just this channel has no videos. How in the world they did that, I don't know. That's something new to the old Geek. What's going on YouTube? How's that possible? Oh, okay, you know what that is? He's got a stealth video there. In other words, it's not a public. Okay, it's a private video, and we just happen to get the link to it from their website. That's what that is. Okay, we just happen to get the link to it from their website. So let me close some of this stuff out. Okay, so that's an unlisted video, and you could do the same thing and either make your own videos, or you know, you could go to the Wayback Machine and get some non-copyrighted videos. But this is their sales, their affiliate section. Okay. Now you can automatically make the links, no problem. Okay. And it'll make the links for you. Always read their terms and condition on everything. Okay. This is a pretty small one actually. Okay. So now they don't have much going on here. Okay. As far as what they give you. Okay, let's see what that does for you. Alright, so it's got direct link to the video. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Alright, so it's just a video. Okay, yeah. Alright, so now what this is, the point I want to make to you here is that you don't want to use this name, and you probably can't. Okay, the name of the product itself, you don't want to do that. Okay, what you want to do is you want to learn a little bit about the product, and then you could actually write your own little blog about it. Sometimes they give you the email swipes. Okay, so you can download the email swipes. Now what I like to do is I like to take these email swipes, okay, okay, so they got some pre-sale pages that they give you, okay. Okay, so this is just like a bridge page. And you see, like right here, this could be your topic, all right. What is it? Tinnitus? Okay. Symptoms and causes. Let's go to the old Google Trends. See, there's quite a bit on this. So you want to make your blog around this particular ailment. Okay. So it's pretty steady. I like to do 5 years. on the Google Trends. Okay. And if you come down here, you can get some keywords. Oh, this is great stuff. This is great stuff. And you base your blog or your website around this. You're only going to need, like 3 to 6 page blog to do this. And then you can make a Facebook page and promote it on Facebook. Okay. But again, don't copy the stuff right from here. And you got to remember, whenever they have an affiliate section, okay, you go back over here. All right, so far they only got 85 people promoting it, or, one person selling it 85 times. I always forget how this works, okay? So it's not that saturated. It's a unique thing as far as people promoting it. And, it seems like a really good product, okay? They gotta see how the bridge page works like that, the way they do that, okay? If you looked at some of my other videos, I show you how to make these bridge pages for free. Okay? But that's what you're going to want to make your website out of. Alright, so how about this now? Watch this. Let's just go here. Let's put that there. Go .com. Now, websites are cheap, kids. Websites are cheap. I'll bet my bottom dollar this is already taken. Look at that. Alright, let's check it with the Karenware. Remember I showed you about Karenware? Let's check it with the Karen. So that's a free site right there. There's a site right there. Okay. Alright, fightringingears.com. That could be your site. Okay. That could be your site. And let's see. It's probably not much of a Google trend because to get organic traffic today is very, very hard. Okay, it's very, very hard. If you want to hire an SEO expert, which, it's really tough. I mean, it's going to cost you like $3,000. So nobody, alright, let me get that out of there and do this right. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay. Let's see, get the word fight out of there. Okay, so that's pretty saturated right there. I like to do the 5 years on the Google Trends. Okay. And then I like this about the COVID ringing in the ears. So you can have a substantial blog. And now, you go to the Content Press. I don't know if you guys ever went to the Content Press. This stuff is free, okay? And you can have someone write you up, okay, your content very cheaply. And I'll have the link in the description on this, okay? Okay, let's just do ears. Use that as a keyword. Any word, really. Okay. Well, it's very cheap to have them write you up content. You can go to a PLO products on it. They might have it. I'll have some links in the description. Okay. So you get the gist of it. You're not going to write about the product itself. You're going to write around what the ailment is. And then you slip your links in there. You want to make it quick, because they seem to have banners and stuff. Okay, they seem to have banners on their affiliate site there. Okay. Where it goes, I lost it. This one? No, that was it right there. Okay. So this seems like a really good product. And they'll have the banners and everything. Okay. I'm not going to download it. It's just probably in a zip file with a bunch of banners. Okay. But again, that's what you want to do. Is you got to remember, if it's saturated, and like these email swipes are great, but there's probably a bunch of affiliates using them. I like to take the email swipes and put them on the blog. I just use the content from it to make the blog page. And then what you could do is you could fit your banners in to the page. Okay? You could fit your banners into the page. Like this was one particular, I did it for sciatica. Okay, it's a saturated thing, but it's more or less an exercise to cure it. Okay, but these banners and stuff, you could use the window snippet tool. If you want to make a banner, if you don't like their banners, you can just basically sneak these banners into your site. So you don't want to like sell the product. You want to just try to give information about the ailment. Okay? So this is the old DOS geek. Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. You go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great tips and tricks on how to do your affiliate websites. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys.